Hello and welcome back. Today, we want to introduce a YouTube new video series discussing personal finance management, delving into the key principles and strategies to help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Our videos on personal finance management will discuss the following: budgeting, saving and investing, financial goal setting, debt management, insurance planning, retirement planning, tax planning, financial education, and continuous learning. By incorporating these components into your personal finance management approach, you can gain control over your finances, work towards achieving your financial goals, and build a solid foundation for long-term financial well-being. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to enhance your money management skills, these lessons will provide you with practical tips and actionable steps to improve your financial well-being. To begin with, we will discuss Introduction to Personal Finance Management, which is our first video and therefore, Chapter 1. What is personal finance? Personal finance refers to the management of an individual's financial resources, including income, expenses, savings, investments, and debt. It involves making informed decisions about money matters to achieve financial goals, build wealth, and maintain financial stability. What is personal finance management? Personal finance management refers to the process of effectively managing your personal finances to achieve financial goals, build wealth, and maintain financial stability. It involves making informed decisions about income, expenses, savings, investments, and debt. Here are key elements of personal finance management. 1. Budgeting. Budgeting is the process of creating a plan for how you will allocate your financial resources. It involves tracking your income and expenses, setting financial goals, and making informed decisions about how to spend and save your money. Budgeting is an essential skill that can help you manage your finances effectively, save for future goals, and avoid unnecessary debt. 2. Saving and investing. Saving involves setting aside a portion of your income for short-term goals and emergencies, while investing involves putting your money into assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate to grow wealth over the long term. 3. Debt management. Managing debt involves creating a strategy to pay off debts, prioritizing high-interest debts, and avoiding excessive borrowing. 4. Financial goal setting. Setting clear and achievable financial goals helps you stay focused and motivated. Examples include saving for a down payment on a house, paying off student loans, or building a retirement fund. 5. Retirement planning. Planning for retirement involves estimating future financial needs, contributing to retirement accounts like state-run pension scheme or private pensions and other retirement benefits schemes, and considering investment strategies to grow your retirement savings. 6. Risk management. Evaluating and managing financial risks is crucial. This includes having appropriate insurance coverage, example, health, life, property, and building an emergency fund to handle unforeseen expenses. 7. Tax planning. Optimizing your tax situation involves understanding tax laws, taking advantage of deductions and credits, and structuring investments and contributions to minimize tax liabilities. 8. Continual learning. Staying informed about personal finance topics, financial trends, and investment options helps you make well-informed decisions and adapt to changing financial landscapes. Personal finance management is a lifelong endeavor that requires discipline, self-awareness, and ongoing evaluation. It allows you to take control of your finances, reduce financial stress, and work towards achieving your financial goals. Consider seeking professional guidance from financial advisors or utilizing personal finance tools and resources to support your financial management journey. Importance of having a personal finance plan. Having a personal finance plan is crucial for several reasons. 1. Financial goal achievement. A personal finance plan helps you define and prioritize your financial goals. It provides a roadmap to achieve those goals by outlining specific actions and strategies. Without a plan, it's easy to lose track of your objectives and make haphazard financial decisions. 2. Financial organization and clarity. A personal finance plan brings clarity to your financial situation. It helps you understand your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities in a structured manner. This organization allows you to identify areas where you can save, invest, or reduce expenses, ultimately leading to better financial management. 3. Budgeting and expense control. A personal finance plan includes budgeting, which is vital for maintaining control over your spending. It helps you allocate your income to different expense categories, such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. By tracking your expenses and adhering to a budget, you can avoid overspending, reduce unnecessary expenses, and save for future needs. 4. Debt management. A personal finance plan provides a framework for managing your debts effectively. It helps you create a strategy to pay off existing debts, avoid accumulating more debt, and improve your credit score. By including debt management in your plan, you can work towards becoming debt-free and achieving financial freedom. 5. Savings and investment growth. A personal finance plan emphasizes the importance of saving and investing. It encourages you to set aside a portion of your income for emergency funds, short-term goals, and long-term objectives like retirement. By including investment strategies aligned with your risk tolerance and goals, you can grow your wealth over time and secure your financial future. 6. Risk mitigation. A personal finance plan incorporates risk management measures such as insurance. It ensures you have adequate coverage for health, life, disability, and property risks. By proactively managing risks, you protect yourself and your assets from unexpected financial setbacks that could derail your financial progress. 7. Retirement planning. A personal finance plan includes retirement planning, which is crucial for ensuring a comfortable and financially secure retirement. It helps you estimate your retirement needs, set savings targets, and explore retirement investment options. Starting early with a well-structured retirement plan allows you to leverage the power of compounding and potentially achieve your retirement goals. 8. Adaptability and financial resilience. A personal finance plan is not static but flexible. It allows you to adapt and adjust your strategies as circumstances change. It helps you prepare for life events like job changes, starting a family, buying a home, or unexpected expenses. By being proactive and resilient, you can navigate financial challenges more effectively. Overall, a personal finance plan provides a roadmap to financial success. It empowers you to take control of your finances, make informed decisions, and work towards achieving your financial aspirations. Without a plan, it's easy to fall into financial disarray, miss opportunities for growth, and struggle to reach your goals. This marks the end of this video on Introduction to Personal Finance Management. In our next video on the Personal Finance series, we will discuss budgeting in detail. We hope to see you in that one.